So we've covered 2-point perspective, and this box and the table are both going to the same vanishing point. And if we add more boxes, they're still going to the same vanishing points because all of the boxes are parallel with each other. But what happens when you turn one of the boxes? So your eye level doesn't change, just the vanishing points do. So you can see how the watercolors now go to a vanishing point that's in the picture and one that's even farther away off to the left. So what happens when you start adding more objects twisted in different directions? They each go to their own vanishing point. So if that Etch-a-Sketch is angled slightly differently than the Lego box, they will go to separate vanishing points. And the table that's behind them will go to two separate vanishing points than either the Etch-a-Sketch or the Lego box. So if we were to start to draw orthogonal lines to find the vanishing points, and the orange line, which is the horizon line in your eye level, it might look something like this. So in the rest of this video, you're going to see these objects drawn, and it will result in this kind of sketch perspective drawing. So here I'm setting up my paper, drawing my horizon line, adding on my wings as we did with our 2-point perspective drawing, and now I'm drawing the approximate proportions of that little table. I'm drawing to vanishing points 1 and 2 for the table, and I labeled them T for table, so T1 and T2. And now as I add the Lego box on, I have two separate vanishing points because it's tilted slightly to the left. So I did Lego 1 and Lego 2, and now you can see I'm also adding the Prismacolor box on the tabletop there. So I'm trying to estimate the angle, but no matter what the angle is, every line that goes in that direction on that object goes to the same vanishing point. So right now I'm drawing, I'm sketching, I'm adding in all of the lines. I am not erasing all of my working lines, I'm leaving them right there. And then when I'm done, I'm going to go in with a darker pencil, or it could be ink, and really go over what I'd like to keep. This drawing can stay sketchy, but it would be nice to add some sense of texture or value to separate the objects. But still, you don't need to erase all of your working lines, your orthogonal lines, if you used an X to find the center of things. All of those working lines can stay there. This is really a sketch process piece, not a finished project. Here you can see that I'm adding shading, trying to make the table stand out from the area around it. I have shaded in where the wood floor is. Now I'm adding texture on the little area rug and trying to define that space. A little bit of shading on the couch. And when I'm done, it looks like this.